Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the all-new 2021 GMC Yukon Denali. These trucks are just getting more and more capable and more beautiful. This is an absolutely fantastic spec. All of us here are surprised this one hasn't sold yet. Of course, as you know, I've driven the new Tahoe, so I'm familiar with the platform, but this one is quite different from the Tahoe. They changed up the interior a little bit, and definitely the exterior looks are miles better than the Tahoe. This really is beautiful. Base price is $71,400 for this trim. Added on is the Denali Premium package, the White Frost Tri-Coat, which is a $1,000 paint option, really looks good. Max trailering package for a total price of $82,750, as well as the rear seat media package, which we're going to go in and look at now. This one has the 6.2 liter Ecotec V8 lifted out of the Camaro and kind of reworked a bit. Made it to, of course, the 10-speed automatic. Absolutely beautiful interior on this one. Love this cross stitching. Climbing on in. And just look at that. So you can look for food, hotels. If I want to go to Boston, and it pulls it up. So if you wanted, say if you're driving, you're being chauffeured, and you want somebody back here to control the navigation, or your kids are curious, stuff like that, you can set it up so no more is the request of, honey, are we there yet? Of course, you can watch your videos back here, put your headphones in, listen to music. You have settings, and this is a really big screen back here. It might even be bigger than the screen up top in the front. Back seat room is phenomenal. You can just power off this screen here. Just really cool. Power retracting and extending kick plates, or side step I should say. Fully automatic windows, of course. Put the vents down to avoid wind noise. Really nice. You can move. As you can see, the interior is a little bit different, a little bit more upright. The Tahoe leans back like that. Bose surround sound system sounds phenomenal, of course. But let's go ahead and take it out on the road. So this is teak and light shale. That's the interior color, and it's beautiful. Fortunately, I am going to have my phone on because my personal car is getting its tires done. So if my phone starts to ring, I'm going to have to cut video. This 6.2 really changes the characteristics of this platform. It wakes it up, and it just adds so much power to it. It's not even funny. This thing just drives like a not like a boat, because it handles really well, but just nice and smooth. I don't know why anybody would want an Escalade when the Yukon is this good. Of course they're platform mates, but just such a nice car. Truck. SUV. Overall, the Yukon is really something phenomenal. This redesign is amazing. So thank you all so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.